What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is my unboxing of the OPPO Find X5 Pro. So firstly, a huge thanks to the OPPO Ambassador Programme for selecting me, and I was one of the 20 people to receive this phone. Anyway, let's just take a look at the side. So we have the OPPO logo, Hasselblad, and on the bottom we can see the configuration. So I have the 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage model, and this is in ceramic white. So let's just put this down and get to the contents of the box. So here is the phone. I'll put that onto the side for now. And we have the charging cable. So this is a USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable, as you can just about see here. And then we have the power brick. So this is an 80-watt Super VOOC charger, and this is actually an increase of 15 watts from last year's OPPO Find X5 Pro. And it's great to see that they have included a charger, unlike other phones like Apple and Samsung. Now let's just see what else is in here. So we've got the standard SIM tray ejector tool. Then we have one of OPPO's handbooks. Here is the second one. And this is actually a quick guide. Okay, this is interesting. Let's see what this is. Okay, so it's a card. And it says here, premium service, the exclusive benefits you deserve. So this is very interesting. So here it is, the OPPO Find X5 Pro in all its full glory. So the first thing you probably notice is this camera module. It's like it's melted onto the back. A very unique design compared to other phone manufacturers. And also you can see powered by Mari Silicon, and it's a separate chip that will help with the camera. So again, we've got the OPPO Hasselblad logo, the volume rocker on the left, the power button on the right hand side. Then on the bottom we've got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, and the SIM tray. And here is the display. It looks amazing. So this is a QHD AMOLED display. And here you can see it is a curved screen. It's not as aggressive as other phones. And there is also a pre-applied screen protector, which you can just about see here. Now in terms of apps, we've got Google Apps already installed. So this has got the Google, well, full Google services on this phone. So you don't need to worry about that. Now in terms of bloatware, there are some apps already installed on this phone. Quite a lot of actually. So if you go into featured, then you can see OPPO Store, Hey Fun, Snack Video, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, hot apps. So these aren't actually installed. These are just suggestions that you can install on the phone. The same applies for games. And the good thing is you can actually uninstall these apps if you don't want it, as you can see here. So let's just take a look at the quick settings. So you've got the box standard going on here. And let's go into settings. So first you'll notice there is a shortcut here called emoji. We've got one-handed mode. Now if I go right to the bottom, about device. So this is on ColorOS 12.1 and on Android 12. So it's good to see that it's on the latest version of Android. And one thing I did want to check out is the password security. I want to see how good the fingerprint reader is on. So let's just set up a very easy pattern here for the sake of the video, and let's get in rolling the fingerprints. So far so good. Done. We'll leave the face unlock for now. That's really fast. Let's do that again. And then with the display on, really fast. I do like that. And before I forget, let's check out the silicone case. And as you can see, it's got a nice fit here. There is a slight raise, so the camera area won't get damaged if it's placed flat on the table. Now in terms of lip protection, there isn't any on the sides. There is a slightly on the edge here, but not on the sides. So yeah, this does it for my unboxing video. If you have found it useful, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.